Gone for 8 days and come back to a jungle for a lawn. So doing a little lawn mowing this morning. Lindsay's parents are coming by with Pancake. They have her. We took Pancake to Mel and Kevin's house, but they can only watch Pancake until I think Thursday. So Lindsay's mom came to town, picked up Pancake and brought her back. And she also found out that our fridge wasn't running the whole time we were gone. So she graciously emptied out our entire fridge of all of our spoiled food while she was here. So at least we didn't come home to that surprise. But lawn mowing time.
Pancake!
Hello, doggy friend. Dang, this you. You don't care.
She was so happy to see me, Matt. You should have seen her. She was freaking out.
So today I'm doing a little yard work. I'm going to prune some trees. I got some dead limbs I gotta take down. And it'd be nice to have a little bonfire for everybody that's here. So I'm gonna get my electric chainsaw down. It's, where is it? Up there, somewhere. Right there. Boop. Right there. When I get that thing down, that's the only thing I'll take up on a ladder with me. I'm not too fond of taking a gas chainsaw up on a ladder. So I'm gonna try and get this thing down from here, which should be interesting. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So first, I'm gonna get this, where's the finger that is. This one here is gonna come down. It's dead all the way up. It's got some small shoots down here, but for the most part, it's pretty much dead. So it can come down, make this tree look a little nicer. If I could actually get up over there, all this can come down as well, but there's no way to really get that. That's like 30 feet in the air. So, let's start with this one. Let me grab the ladder. It's cut mostly through and it's kind of breezy today. So I think it's only a matter of time until that thing comes down. You can hear it creaking. I wanted to get out of there before it fell. Oh, it's caught up there. Might have to get creative with this one. But who knows? Strong enough breeze, should come right down. Come on, wind.
Saw stuck. It's leaning on the saw. Climb over it, I know him.
So the tripod didn't make it.
You gonna film that?
Tripod died.
Big time.
Everybody admiring the work.
Hi.
The limb is down.
JR.
JR's checking out the sticks.
I think he's right now ripping it apart for you, so it'd be easier.
Perfect. So we have room for the bonfire, you know?
Oh my god.
I gotta trim that back down now. Trim that nub back down.
Yeah.
Let's be done. Next is this limb. Fell dead. I think today I'll also try and spread this pile of sawdust around. Say bye to the grandparents. Bye. Bye. So I'm looking for my safety glasses. I bet they're outside still. There's some more. I have like 8 of these things, but I always lose them. So tonight, I am trying to drill a 15/16 inch diameter hole in 1 inch thick cold rolled steel with a hole saw. I'm going to see how this goes. I'm trying to make these shackle mounts for my trailer so I can mount these shackles on the arch so I can more easily rig stuff up as well as pull on the arch instead of using. I have a shackle on there now that goes around the entire arch, but instead of using that, I'll just have a shackle on there that I can hook the winch directly to and do it that way. So let's see how this goes.